Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to manage your Viber backup settings. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Viber app and at the bottom of your screen tap on More. This will take you to the main menu where you can access various settings and features. Once you're there, tap on Settings to open the configuration options for your Viber account. This is where you'll find all the customization and management tools for your app. Now in the Settings menu, tap on Account. This section contains all the important information related to your Viber profile and data management options. Next, tap on Viber Backup. This is the central hub where you can control how and when your chat history, media, and other data are backed up to keep everything safe. The first option you'll see is Auto Backup. Tap on it to set up automatic backups of your conversations and media. This feature ensures you won't lose any important messages if something happens to your device. Here you can select your preferred backup frequency. Choose from daily, weekly, monthly, or off. If you want the most up-to-date backups, daily is your best bet, but if you're concerned about storage or data usage, weekly or monthly might work better for you. After selecting your backup frequency, tap on Backup Using. This option lets you choose your connection preference for when backups occur. You can select either Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and mobile data. If you're worried about using your mobile data allowance, stick with Wi-Fi only. However, if you want more flexibility and don't mind using some data, the second option ensures backups happen even when you're not connected to Wi-Fi. Now you'll see two important options: include photos and include videos. These toggles allow you to decide whether your media files are included in your backups. Tap on each one so they become checked if you want to make sure all your photos and videos are safely backed up along with your messages. Keep in mind that including media will make your backup files larger, so make sure you have enough storage space. Next, tap on Account for Backup. Here you'll need to select an email account where your backup will be stored. If you already have an email linked, you can choose it from the list. If you need to add a new email address, you can do that here as well. This step is crucial because it determines where your data will be saved. After setting up all your preferences, you can now tap Restore if you need to bring back previous data, or tap Backup Now to immediately create a backup with your current settings. The Backup Now option is especially useful if you've just made important changes or want to ensure everything is saved right away. And that's it! You've successfully configured your Viber backup settings to keep all your conversations and media safe. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.